My name is Kim Fair. I live in Laurel, Maryland in Howard County. American Home Contractors did quite a bit of work at our home, including replacing the siding, the house wrap, the headers on our windows, as well as building out our door frame. Actually, we had moved here and had some pretty damaged siding when we came in, and at that point we decided we were going to go forward and replace it. However, we originally thought we were going to do some kind of stone, and saw that American Home Contractors had that listed as one of their options, which we were looking for a local company, someone who is from the area and knew the area. We were actually really pleased with American Home Contractors. Josh, who came out and worked with us as kind of our project manager, was really flexible and he was responsive. We changed our mind probably 3 or 4 different times in terms of what design we wanted, what finishes we wanted, and each time he was able to kind of really guide us through the process. We also had a couple of custom items, and because of that, it was really fantastic. The crew manager was just excellent on site. We kind of have a motto when we do home projects, which is trust but verify. And I know that can be kind of intimidating for some contractors, but everyone we worked with at American Home Contractors was willing and understood that we cared very much about the final product and about the work and craftsmanship that was going into it. And so they were able to answer our questions, make sure we understood the process along the way, checked that we were happy with some changes that we made even after the project was started. As well, I kind of goofed on a couple of things and they came back and reinstalled, even though it was my error, and reinstalled and fixed until it was exactly what we wanted. And so I was real happy with that. We absolutely would recommend American Home Contractors to a friend. Again, mostly because of the local connection, the knowledge and flexibility and responsiveness of the people working. I know from the top to the bottom, we felt very comfortable with American Home Contractors, and would definitely recommend.